Welcome to Cherish Learning Field. Today we are going to discuss mixed English. Don't forget to subscribe to learn more. Spring. Onion. Spring onion. Hour. Glass. Hourglass. Tea. Spoon. Teaspoon. Butter. Fly. Butterfly. Bed. Sheet. Bedsheet. Ear. Phone. Earphone. Sun. Screen. Sunscreen. Bullet. Proof. Bulletproof. Cup. Cake. Cupcake. Egg. Plant. Eggplant. Hand. Glove. Hand glove. Pawn. Cake. Pancake. Green. Tea. Green tea. Lip. Stick. Lipstick. Air. Craft. Aircraft. Water. Melon. Watermelon. Ear. Ring. Earring. Hot. Dog. Hot dog. Love. Bird. Lovebirds. Eye. Ball. Eyeball. Straw. Berry. Strawberry. Dough. Nut. Donut. Heart. Beat. Heartbeat. Sauce. Pawn. Saucepan. Cocoa. Nut. Coconut. Fire. Works. Fireworks. Sea. Saw. Seesaw. Cinnamon. Roll. Cinnamon roll. Cup. Board. Cupboard. Sun. Flower. Sunflower. Hand. Shake. Handshake. Table. Spoon. Tablespoon. Ice. Berg. Iceberg. Hand. Bag. Handbag. Can. Cutter. Can cutter. House. Keeper. Housekeeper. Pony. Tail. Ponytail. Egg. Roll. Egg roll. Can. Water. Can water. Bull. Dog. Bulldog. Tissue. Paper. Tissue paper. hand, book, handbook, arm, bush, arm bush, hand, over, hand over, stop, watch, stopwatch, mush, room, mushroom, cow, boy, cowboy, corn, flower, cornflower, hand, fan, hand fan, ice, cream, ice cream, car, park, car park, battle, line, battle line, pull, over, pullover, red, flag, red flag, sun, burn, sunburn, ceiling, fan, ceiling fan, shoe, rack, shoe rack, knife, edge, knife edge, sweet, potato, sweet potato, white, board, whiteboard, jump, suit, jumpsuit, tee, shirt, t-shirt, swim, suit, swimsuit, sun, glass, sunglass, red, pepper, red pepper, fish, roll, fish roll, butter, scotch, butterscotch, French, nut, French nut, mush, room, mushroom, ground, nut, groundnut, cold, room, cold room, red, all, red all, water, proof, waterproof, heart, break, heartbreak, green, pepper, green pepper, red, cross, red cross, green, grass, green grass, house, wife, housewife, exercise, book, exercise book, eye, pencil, eye pencil, body, guard, bodyguard, gate, man, gateman. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.